Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to keep your QuickBooks records accurate and in sync with your bank, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to reconcile accounts in QuickBooks Online, making sure your books are spotless and error-free. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks login page, choose QuickBooks Online, and enter your username and password. Once inside, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, locate the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. This is where all your settings live. Click on the gear, and under the Tools section, select Reconcile. Now choose the account you want to reconcile. For example, you might pick your business checking or credit card account. Select it from the drop-down menu, and QuickBooks will open up the reconciliation page for that specific account. Here's where accuracy is critical. Enter the details from your most recent bank or credit card statement. First, type in the statement ending balance exactly as it appears on your statement. Then enter the statement ending date. These two fields are the foundation for your reconciliation, so double check them before moving on. Once the details are set, it's time to match transactions. QuickBooks will show you a list of payments, deposits, and charges that have been recorded. Compare these with your bank or credit card statement and begin marking them as cleared. The goal here is simple. Keep matching until the difference field shows 0. That means every transaction in QuickBooks lines up perfectly with your statement. If you see a difference, take your time to find what's missing or incorrectly recorded. It could be a duplicate, a typo, or a transaction that hasn't been entered yet. When everything checks out and the difference is 0, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will process the reconciliation and confirm your account is fully balanced. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled your account in QuickBooks Online. By doing this regularly, you'll catch errors early, prevent discrepancies, and keep your books accurate for tax time and business decisions. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any QuickBooks questions you'd like me to cover next. Until then, keep your books balanced and your business running smoothly.